guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as I'm trying carbonara buldak ramen buldak for the first time because I buy it because I have seen this in my video shorts. I see it every time I scroll, every time I open my YouTube, and I see them eating, and I think it's not spicy, but let's try. This is my plating. Look. So this is what I got. I got cookies and cubes wafer, and I got this buldak ramen. See? And I got the seaweed, which I'm gonna put on top. And let's eat. I never had this before, so it's my first time trying it. So let's get seaweed, and let's put the buldak in the top. Oh, it's gonna be good. You better be good. Here. Cheers. Mm. 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 It's good. Wait, my mouth is full. Wait. I will rate it 12 out of 10. It's really good. Now let's try this cube wafer. It's good too. Now let's try these cookies. They're all good. So I will rate everything 10 out of 10. So that's for all, guys. And it's my first time trying it. Next time I will try the cheese one. Bye. So guys, I have a trust issue.